Gated plantation bay home with private preserve views and a screened lanai, now offered at $419,900. This move-in ready 3-bed, 2-bath, 2,271 square foot home features high ceilings, neutral finishes, abundant natural light, and a desirable split floor plan. The open kitchen includes granite counters, stainless appliances, a breakfast bar, and center island flowing into the great room and dining area for easy everyday living. Triple sliders open to a quiet, landscaped preserve with no rear neighbors. The owner's suite offers a walk-in closet, dual vanities, and a large tiled shower. Additional highlights include a 2-car garage, low HOA fees, newer construction, and low-maintenance living. Optional club memberships provide access to golf, tennis, pickleball, fitness, spa, and resort-style pools.